Hi, so today we're going to have a lesson on learning how to speak some Spanish, and we're specifically going to learn how to say the phrase I love you in Spanish. So why should we know how to say I love you in Spanish? Considering it's the second most spoken language in the United States, we should be able to communicate to the Latino community. And in a world full of hate that we can't avoid, why not try to spread some love in different languages? So because we live in such a diverse world, the Latino community make up 52 million of the U.S. population, and being able to communicate with them should not be as rare as it is. So we can begin this process by learning how to say the simple phrase I love you in Spanish. So where is Spanish spoken? Spanish is spoken in all of Central America, which contains 7 countries, and all of South America, which contains about 13 countries. So in total, there's 21 countries that speak Spanish. So this is an overview of how the lesson's going to go. We're going to go over the meaning and origin of the word, and then we're going to go in depth within each word of the phrase. So there's 3 total words in the phrase, and we're going to learn how to pronounce each word and what each word means. So the phrase yo te amo is a phrase that is used to express love for a romantic partner, family, and even very close friends in Spanish. So here's an image of 12 ways to say I love you in 12 different languages. And when you look at it, you can see some similarities in French, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, and even Romanian, and that's because these languages are derived from the language Latin, which is now seen in various different languages around the world. So what is yo te amo and what is its origin? So yo te amo means I love you, and it's derived from the word amare in Latin, which means to love. And fun fact, Cupid was also named Amor in Latin, and he was the god of affection. And amar is the verb form of the word amo, which we will be using in this phrase. So the first part, yo, how do we pronounce it? Y-O-H, yo, as if you're saying, yo, what's up? And yo means I in Spanish. Something else you can refer to is like a yo-yo, so we just take that first part, yo. Second part, te. So how do we pronounce te? So it'd be T-E-H, te, and it means you, but within this phrase we're going to be using the pronoun of you, which is the adjective of the word is tú. So you may see tú in Spanish context, but we're going to be using the pronoun form, which is te. And something you can refer to with the pronunciation is te, like teddy bear. So I bolded that te part. And then lastly, but not least, because this is the most important part of the phrase, is amo. So how do we pronounce amo? It'd be A-H-M-O-H, amo. So it means love. And in this phrase, it's the first person present form of the verb amar. So now that we've gone over each individual word, yo te amo, and how to pronounce it and what each word means and where this language is used, we're going to watch this short clip on how to pronounce the whole phrase correctly. You can watch this video and then repeat after her, and she'll explain, and you'll have the pronunciation under the video.
Yo te amo. Yo te amo.